How to make cold brew coffee in 10 minutes. In goes blaster, then cold brew, and 48 ounces of cold water. Run blender on low speed. 10 minutes for regular strength, 20 minutes for concentrate. The blaster prevents contact with the blender blade. It's made of the same strong Triton material as the blender jar. Once blender stops, let cold brew foam settle and watch the magic happen. Look at that. It's like your favorite nitro Irish stout. Creamy cold brew perfection. Blend blaster. Just blast it. Get yours today while supplies lasted.